Doc, I don't really know if this is such a good idea.
But it must be done.
What is this? What kind of film is this? What is this, Star Wars? It has to be done.
Kroy!
Kroy. Wonderful. Okay. Oh gosh, I think he's coming, Doc.
Who?
Charlie!
No.
Hello, Doctor.
Hello.
Now, Doctor, we've been going around this for years. We have to decide about who's gonna have this land.
Well, how about we get our best men and fight?
Our best men? What is this, a wedding?
No.
I love
our
weddings.
best warriors.
Warriors?
Yes.
Fighting is terrible, though.
But that's the only way I'll let you have the land.
Alright, Doctor. Why don't you look over there?
This is your best man?
Oh yes, Doctor, he's wonderful. Who's your best man? Who's your best man?
Hi!
Don't get your best man! Your best man!